guys, Trains Around Kent here, and welcome to another TrainSat video. This is Series 1, Episode 10 of TrainSat, and today we're at London Waterloo. So today we'll be seeing services by South Western Railway only. Pulling away there is going to be the... I have no idea what service that is. That's going to be... It's quarter past, so... That's going to be the... 1117 South Western Railway service to Chessington South on 2 Mike 25, formed of 454, 548 and another one on the front. Also pulling away there is going to be the that's going to be the service to Woking. That is the 1120 South Western Railway service to Woking on 2 Foxtrot 25. Also pulling away there is going to be, if I could get the time out, the 1120 South Western Railway service to Reading with a 458, with some sort of 458 on the front. I don't know what the number is. On the rear is going to be 458 523. And we'll see what else turns up here at London Waterloo. Pulling in over there is going to be the some service to somewhere. That is the give me a second. Oh bollocks! It's all going wrong. Terminating in there is the 1124 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo round trip. Pulling in there is going to be 444044 on 1 Whiskey 52 from Weymouth. Pulling away there is going to be the 1115 South Western Railway service to Hazelmere on 2 Papa 29 with 450034 on the front. And on the rear is 450 100. Also pulling away there is going to be the... That's the 1117 South Western Railway service to... No, that's not. That is the 1115 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo round trip via Richmond. And that is 707. I don't know the front one. On the rear is going to be 707. On the rear is 707 025, and that is on the 1115 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo via Richmond. And we'll see what else turns up here at London Waterloo. Pulling in now is going to be the 1116 South Western Railway service from Chessington South, terminating here on 2 Mike 26. It's formed of 455729. On the rear it's going to be 455 736. Yeah, on the rear is 455 736. South Western Railway livery. Pulling in now is going to be the 1119 South Western Railway service from Salisbury to London Waterloo. It is 1 Lima 30. On the front it's going to be 159007 in the new South Western Railway livery. And on the rear it's going to be 159012. In its interim South Western Railway livery. (159.012) on the rear there, with 159014 on the front. in its new South Western Railway livery. Oh yeah, I forgot. Today I'm joined by TrainSpotEast, Roscoe Train 207, I think, AT Trains, and CamJkerman, who's only taking pictures today, not filming. And we'll see what else. Oh no, we're not going to see what else. Pulling away over there behind this 159 is going to be the 1117 South Western Railway service to Chessington South on 2 Mike 25. And also pulling away now is going to be the... Not now. That's not leaving yet. Or is it? Pulling away now is going to be the 1120 South Western Railway service to Exeter St David's on 1 Lima 29. Pulling away nicely there. Also pulling in over there is going to be the 1124. No, it's not. That is the... On the front there is 159008. Over there is 450 108. I won't get the rear unit for that. On the rear here, in the middle here, it's going to be 159 106. I'm getting back because I'm not over the yellow line. 158886 there in the middle, and on the rear is 158880 on the rear there. Pulling in now from there is going to be is to Oscar 21 on the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo via Richmond or via Hounslow. I can't tell which one it is. This station is ridiculous. Pulling away over there is going to be the 1120 South Western Railway service to Woking on 2 Foxtrot 25. There we go. On the front is 456014. In the middle is going to be 455. I didn't get the number there. I'll get it when it goes past. Yep, on the rear is going to be on the rear is 455 and 915. 913 over there. That's pulling away over there. We'll see what else is available to arrive or depart here at London Waterloo. There. Oh. Pulling away over there is going to be the... Where's that going? 1120 South Western Railway service to Reading on 2 707 007. It's 2C29 to Reading on the 1120 service. 707 007 on the front, and on the rear is going to be 707 because it's dual pairing. 707 015 there on the rear. And we've got a bit of calmness for a minute, and we'll see what else has arrived or departs here at London. Pulling in over there is going to be the 1126 South Western Railway service from Windsor and Eton Riverside on 2 Uniform 26. It's formed of a dual pairing of their 450 to 0 units. On the front is going to be 450 093. Pulling away there is going to be the 1122 South Western Railway service to Weybridge on 2 Sierra 29. On the rear there is 450 082. Pulling in there is going to be the 1122 South Western Railway service from Woking on 2 Foxtrot 26. Did you get the number on that? Pulling in over there is going to be the I'm lost. Where's that from?
I'm hungry.
That's 455847. Pulling in over there is a train from somewhere, I don't know where. I think that's on a Waterloo round trip from somewhere. Oh, it's from Shepperton. No, it's not. Where's it from? I don't know where that's from. 455739 on the rear. What's on the front? Didn't get the front number, I'm sorry. 508 trailers. I miss 508s. Anyway, we'll see what else turns up here at London Waterloo. Pulling away there is going to be the where is it? 1123 South Western Railway service to Alton. On the front is going to be a 45563, and on the rear is going to be this is running on to 1 Alpha 29 to Alton on the 1123 service. On the rear is 450026. Also pulling in over there is going to be the, where is that from? That is the 1130 pulling in early. On the front is 7071014. This is the 1130 South Western Railway service on a London Waterloo round trip via Hounslow. And on the rear it's 707027. This is running 2 Kilo 19. We'll see what else is available to arrive or depart here at London Waterloo. Pulling away there is going to be the 1124. No, it's not. That's pulling away early. That's the 1127 South Western Railway service on a London Waterloo round trip via Richmond. On the rear is 455791. 729, sorry. And we'll see what else is available to arrive or depart here at London Wood. Pulling away around the corner is going to be the 1123 South Western. Oh no, it's not. The 1122 South Western Railway service to. What's the time? Oh, okay. To Windsor and Eton Riverside on 2 Uniform 29. On the front is 450081. Also pulling in over there is going to be the 1123 South Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour. And on the rear of that 450 set is 450108. On the front here is 444021. Terminating in from Portsmouth Harbour and 1 Papa 30, 1 Papa 30, 444021 on the front. On the rear it's going to be 444011. Pulling in over there, which I won't be able to get, is the 1127, no that's not that, 1129, sorry, I'm getting mixed up here. 1127 2 Sierra 26 South Western Railway service from Hampton, no not Hampton Court, Weybridge. On the front is a 707 unit, and on the rear it's going to be 707 005 on the rear there. Also pulling away over there is going to be 70, no that's pulling in, not pulling out, sorry. No, over there. Pulling in over there, it's going to be the 1131 South Western Railway service from terminating in from Hampton Court on 2 Juliet 28. 455911 on the front and the only unit. Pulling in from Hampton Court on 2 Juliet 29. No, 2 Juliet 28, sorry. 455-911 there. Pulling in from London Water, Hampton Court. With no brake whatsoever. Pulling in over there is going to be the 1134 South Western Railway service from Poole to London Waterloo, running to Bravo 32. On the front is 450-558, and on the rear was 450-094. Pulling in from Poole to London Waterloo on the 1135 to Bravo 32 South Western Railway service from Poole to London Waterloo. And we'll see what else turns up here at London Waterloo. Pulling away there is going to be the... Where's that going? I don't know where that's going. Oh, the 1133 South Western Railway service to London on a London Waterloo round trip. Pulling in there is going to be the 1135 South Western Railway service from Shepperton on to Hotel 28. That is on to Victor 29. Pulling in there is going to... no, I'll get that one first. Pulling away over there is going to be the... No, I'm ahead of myself. No, I'm not. Pulling away over there is going to be the 1136 South Western Railway service to Hampton Court on 2 Juliet 27. Pulling in there is going to be the... where's that coming from? I don't know where that's coming from. Ah, that is the 1141 early. That is the 1141 South Western Railway service from Reading on 2C28. On the front, on the rear is 450-560. What's on the front? 450-027 on the front, thanks to Cameron there. This place is absolutely fucking mental. Yeah, but I haven't said it on film. This place is insane.
Southwest trains were insane.
With these majestic things that exist. And we'll see what else is available to arrive or depart here at London Waterloo. Pulling away there is going to be the 1130 South Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour on 1 Papa 31. On the front is 450-082.
It says Portsmouth
Portsmouth Harbour. On that, and on the rear is 450-093. Pulling in there is going to be the 1136 South Western Railway service from Basingstoke on the 11 on...
Oh, 455 on a Basingstoke.
2L32. Oh no, that's terminating in from Guildford, sorry. That is the 1133 South Western Railway service from Guildford on 2 Golf 27. I didn't get the number on that one, unfortunately. We'll see what else is available to arrive or depart here at London Waterloo. Pulling away over there is going to be the 1133 South Western Railway service on a London Waterloo round trip via Hounslow.
There we are.
It is the 2 Oscar 27. On the front it's going to be 707-027. On the rear it's going to be... On the rear, hopefully, before this disappears. No, 707-014. Pulling in there is Phil 50-561. Pulling in from... Where's that pulling in from? Pulling in from Poole. I got the wrong... I mixed my times up again. Also pulling away is going to be the 1135 South Western Railway service to Weymouth on 1 Whiskey 23. This is an all-station stopper to Weymouth. Destination Weymouth 444. Oh, detached. Pulling away is 444-012. Pulling away over there. This place is insane. Where's that going? Oh no, that's the 11:36 South Western Railway service to Hampton Court. 455647 to Hampton Court on 2 Juliet 27. And we'll see what else is available to arrive or depart here at London Waterloo. Pulling in over there is going to be the 11:30. That's the 11:40 South Western Railway service from Guildford on 2 Juliet 2 Delta 27 455722. Pulling away over there is the 11:39 South Western Railway service to Guildford on 2 Delta 27. Pulling in here. Where's this from? This is the 11:34 South Western Railway service from Hull. 450-543 on the front. 019. 450-019 on the back, and it's South Western Railway interim livery. This is the unit I saw at Brockenhurst doing the Lymington Town, Lymington Pier shuttles. 450-019 there, pulling in from Paul. No, it's not. Yeah, it is. I lie. Anyway, we see what else turns up here at London. In there is 458-529 on a South Western Railway service from this is on a London Waterloo round trip on 2 Romeo 21 via Richmond. I didn't get the rear unit, so I'll get that when it pulls in.
Front 529.
I got 529. On the rear is going to be 458. 458-536 over there. Pulling away there is going to be the 11:42 South Western Railway service to Shepperton from here at London Waterloo. Pulling away over there is going to be the 11:45 South Western Railway service on a London Waterloo round trip via Richmond on 2 Romeo 27. That is on 2 Hotel 27. On the rear is 455-731. And on the rear of this unit is going to be 455-503 over there. Also pulling away there is going to be the 11:42 South Western Railway service to Basingstoke on 2 Lima 31. They're being nice to Basingstoke people today. And on the rear is 450-558. And we'll see what else is available to arrive or depart here at London Waterloo. Pulling in there is going to be the 11:45. Oh no, that's the wrong. 11:40 South Western Railway service from Hazelmere on 2 Papa 32. On the front it's going to be 450-126 and on the rear is 450-104. Pardon? It's nice. 450-104 on the rear. We'll see what else turns up here at London Waterloo. Pulling away there is going to be the 11:45 South Western Railway service on a London Waterloo round trip via Hounslow. It's 2 Romeo 27. And pulling in over there is going to be the 11:40 South Western Railway service from Guildford via Cobham and Stoke Dagenham.
Yeah, you said it.
On 2 Delta 28. No, it's not. That's coming on 1. On the rear of those 707s is going to be 707 009. Pulling away there is going to be the 11. The 1152. No, it's not. It's the 1145 South Western Railway service to Portsmouth and Southsea. From here at London Waterloo. On the front is 450 for all sparks. Whoa. 455.60 on the front. And on the rear is in the middle is 450.027. It's nice sparks. And on the rear there is 450.098 on the rear.
Oh yes.
What?
Oh. Yes.
Whoa.
I thought I missed it.
Where do you put these pictures?
Flicker.
Follow Cameron on Flickr for a dope picture of some sparks.
2 dope pictures of things.
And we'll see what else turns up here at London Water. Pulling away over there is the 1154, pulling away early. Oh no, that's not, that's something else. Where's that going? Sorry, you're going to get shit view for a minute.
Where is the camera?
In my hand.
There it is.
That's going somewhere mystical and magical.
I should have found.
Okay, I can't get that one, so we'll see what else arrival departs here at London Waterloo. That service that pulled away there was the 1147 South Western Railway service to Chessington South. I won't be censored. You can swear as much as you like in my videos. Putting away there is the 1147 South Western Railway service to Chessington South on 2 Mike 27.
My battery didn't exhaust.
I think we're about to have another service depart as well.
Rug. On a rug. In a bug.
Oh, my shoulders are killing me.
I don't have a shrug. I need a shrug.
Oh, painful.
Some of you know what a shrug is. Do you know what a shrug is?
Pulling away now is going to be the 1150 South Western Railway service to Salisbury on 1 Lima 31. Pulling in there is going to be the 1154 South Western Railway service on a London Waterloo round trip. It's 159012 there. Thank you.
Hi, thanks.
Nice tones there from the driver.
I do it like
And on the rear is 159. Pulling away there is 159007 in its South Western Railway livery. We'll see what else turns up. In there is going to be the 1149 South Western Railway service from Exeter St David's, terminating here at London Waterloo. It is on 1 Lima 32. On the front is going to be, I don't know. On the rear is on the middle is 159013, and on the rear is going to be one of the new South Western Railway livery units. It's 159003 in its new South Western Railway livery.
Oh yeah.
Which I find very smexy, and I want one. I want a Hornby model one. Hornby, Backman, pull your finger out, come on. I want one.
On the back, no, Helljack.
Or whoever.
Helljack is really nice one.
Pulling away there, over there is going to be the 1150 South Western Railway service to Woking. On 2 Foxtrot 27, and on the rear is going to be 456. On the rear is 456.007. And we'll see what else is available to turn up here at London Waterloo. Pulling away there is going to be the 1153 South Western Railway service to Alton on 1 Alpha 43. 1 Alpha 31, sorry. On the front is 450.021. And on the rear is going to be the 450.561. Pulling in there is the 11. 11:50 Southwestern Railway service from Reading to London Waterloo. Oh no, it's pulling away. I don't know where that's come from. Somewhere, mystic and magical. We'll see what else turns up here at London Waterloo. So I just want to say thank you very much for watching this video at London Waterloo. It's been a fantastic film. Loads of stuff. It's been absolutely crazy. Thank you for being joined by CamJkerman, TrainSpotEast, Roscoe Train 207. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit, and I'll see you in the next video.
And now we're off to ride on a Hoonipper.
And we're going on a Hoonipper. And we'll see you in the next video.